Hello friends, before starting the new exercise, let us first see how the sample space are being made. First I will start with the coin. If one coin is tossed, sample space what will be the head or tail? क्योंकि उसके दो ही साइड्स होते हैं, हेड या तो फिर टेल, या तो हेड आएगा या तो टेल आएगा. इफ़ टू कॉइन आर टॉस्ड, ठीक है, तो दोनों में हेड आ सकता है, दोनों में टेल आ सकता है, एक में हेड दूसरे में टेल, या तो एक में टेल दूसरे में हेड. इफ़ थ्री कॉइन्स आर टॉस्ड, अगर थ्री कॉइन टॉस्ड होता है तो उसके सैम्पल स्पेस कैसे हो सकते हैं? तीनों में हेड आएगा या तो तीनों में टेल आएगा, एक में हेड दो में टेल आएगा, या तो एक में टेल दोनों में हेड आएगा, दो में हेड एक में टेल आएगा, या तो दो में टेल एक में हेड आएगा, हेड टेल हेड आएगा, या तो टेल हेड टेल आएगा. देयर विल बी 8 आउटकम्स. अंडरस्टूड? तीनों में या तो हेड, तीनों में या तो टेल, हेड टेल 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 हेड हेड. जहाँ पे एच रहेगा उसको टी के साथ रिप्लेस करना है, जहाँ पे टी रहेगा उसको एच के साथ रिप्लेस करना है. एच एच टी 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 एच, एच टी एच टी, दोनों का साथ में बनाना. इफ़ टू डाइज आर टॉस्ड और थ्रोन, अगर दो डाइज हम थ्रोन करते हैं, डाइज मीन्स जो भी हम लूडो खेलते हैं, उसके सैम्पल स्पेस क्या होंगे? आइदर 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6, 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6, 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6, 4 1, 5 1, 6 1. Anyhow you can make 4 2, 5 2, 6 2, 4 3, 5 3, 6 3. Why? Because the dice are having the numbers, it starts from 1 and complete till 6. 4 4, 4 5, 4 6, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6, 6 4, 6 5, 6 6. Close it with curly bracket. Always you have to write the sample space in a curly bracket. Now let's see about the different things. If it is said about the cards, find the sample space of cards. Now there are 4 types of cards: spade, club, heart and diamond. All the cards are having 13 cards. All the cards are having 13 cards. There are total 52 cards. How many total cards are there? 52 cards. Now in the spade cards, how many cards will be there? 13 cards, but which cards will be there? Spade means we will be giving it name as S1. That means card number 1, card number 2, card number 3 till S10. It will be having the number of cards till S10. Then SJ, SQ, SK. Total 1 to 10 cards, then 11, 12, 13. In the same way for the club also, it will be having C1, C2, C3 till C10. Then CJ, CQ, CK. Bracket close. For the heart also, we will be having same, but its name is heart, so we will give its name as H1, H2, H3 till H10. HJ, HQ, HK. For the diamond, we will be giving it name as D1, D2, D3 till D10. DJ, DQ, D. This much will be the sample space for 52 cards. Now, if the sample space is asked of 2 children, that means the children can be both girls, both boys. One will be girl, one will be boy, one will be boy, next one will be girl. Is it clear? Next, let's see about the union and intersection. Sample space is always denoted with U. Suppose here the sample space is given from 1 to 10. A elements are given from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B elements are given 3, 4, 5. C elements are given 4, 5, 6. If it is said to find A union B, union means what? Together. Union means together. First write the element of A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then write the elements of B, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now union means together we have to write the numbers. Together we have to write the numbers. The numbers which are repeated, we have to write it only once. That means what will be the union of A union B? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Element A is also having, element B is also having, but we have to write only once. A union C. Now what are the elements of A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Union. What are the elements of C? 4, 5, 6. So union means together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 4 and 5 numbers are repeated. So only once we have to write 4, 5 and 6. Next is intersection. Next is intersection. A intersection B. Intersection means same. Now A elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 intersection. B element 3, 4, 5. Same means A and B. दोनों element जो भी same होता है that will be known as intersection. So which numbers are same? 3, 4, 5. Next is A complement. Next is A complement. Now complement means what? Suppose if I have said in the question it is asked, or if I am saying A find A complement. So which are the elements of A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What we have to do for finding the A complement? For finding the A complement, we have to remove the elements of A from U. We have to remove the elements of A from U. Whatever is remaining, that will be the A complement. So here A elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to remove the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from U. Whatever is remaining, that will be our A element, A complement. That is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If I will say find B complement. If I will say find B complement. Now what are the elements of B? 3, 4, 5. So remove 3, 4, 5. What is remaining? 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If I will say to find C complement. If I will say to find C complement. So which are the numbers in C? 4, 5, 6. Remove it from U. What will be remaining? That will be our C complement. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. If in intersection, suppose none of the numbers are same. For example, A equals to 1, 2, 3, B equals to 4, 5, 6. Union we can get. Okay. If I will say find A union B, directly you can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I will say to find A intersection B. A intersection B means the number should be same, but there are no numbers same. Okay, none of the numbers are same. That means we have to write empty set or null set. This is known as empty set and this is known as null set. Is it clear? Okay, whenever there is no intersection, that means none of the numbers is same or none of the numbers are same. That time we have to put this symbol. This is known as empty set, this is known as null set. Thank you.